Do you have 3 tomatoes and eggs at home? Make this recipe super easy and delicious. To start this recipe, I will cut 3 tomatoes. First in half and then in long slices. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. Now I will grate 150 grams of mozzarella. I'm sure you'll come back here to thank me for teaching you how to make this recipe super easy. In a pan, I will put some olive oil. Next, we will put a tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Even I was surprised the first time I did it. I'll transfer the tomato into the pot. You guys do it at your house and then come back here and tell me what you think. Let's add a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and also half a teaspoon of black pepper. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Nanza Eric from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Using only a few ingredients present in everyday life of any person, we can make a great option for a differentiated lunch. Let's add 5 eggs. With the help of a spatula, I will mix everything very well. When I do it in my house, there is never anything left, because it is really very difficult to eat just one piece. I'm sure even your friends will ask you to teach them how to do it so well that it gets done. It's perfect to do on days you don't have much time to cook. I often do it myself in my house. Now I will add the cheese that we grated earlier. If you prefer, you can also add other types of cheese. I'm sure you've never made a recipe like this before. Let's cover the pan and cook for 5 minutes. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. Besides very tasty, it also looks very beautiful. It's perfect to share with that special person for you. I'm sure she'll love it. You can also make to eat in the afternoon coffee or as a quick snack during the day. Tell me how you like to use cheese and tomatoes in your home. I would love to know your recipes. There's no reason not to. It's super easy, simple, and fast. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.